That's a massive improvement over the screamers that were previously here. Time is 11:56 on Thursday the 24th of June 2021. This will be the site laid 11:51 LNER Azuma from Leeds to London King's Cross. We've not repaired those though, have we? Never mind, half a job's better than none at all. You can see over that side, work is slowly beginning to replace the damaged floodlights as a result of the most recent crash by an insured driver fleeing from the police. You can't have everything. Bloody hell, throw up your phone on the floor. Now this train's been delayed at Doncaster by a set swap. Which has been traded from 800-113, who led the train from Leeds to Doncaster. Then this unit has got the train going forward to London King's Cross and back. Was involved in the accident at Neville Hill. Okay, time is 12:01. This will be the started at 11:59 LNER Azuma from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Where's the next one after this in the opposite direction? Right, so we've also got the 12:04 LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Go away. It'll be a guess of who's first, because both are about 2 signals away. I'm going to hazard a guess of... Shush. Shush. Right, I see one in front of me anyway, coming from Doncaster. There's one somewhere behind me coming up from Retford way. Time is 12:05. This will be the 12:07 Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross. The 12:09 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. I think. The expected timings anyway, where is he? Yeah, he's just appeared coming off of Ranskill now. The Leeds train is reduced down to 8 carriages. Right, is this... Oh, he's not left Yorkshire. Bloody hell. I originally came for some locomotive running a York to Rugby, but so far he's not made any move off of York. I'm going to find him on the map. Where's York? There's York. Looks like he's in the sidings ready to go. What's that? Is that a rail tour? Yeah, that's doing something else, isn't it? I've just gone back on a map that has no back again. That went well. And what we're looking at first, 1D10, then 1A63. As the Leeds train's closing in. Right, shortly the train for Leeds, then the train for London. It's going to be really close. It's not 105. See the van trailer because it's not got it stamped on the rear. 7. Time is 12:20. This is with the 12:20 LNER Resumer from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. The 12:25 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. That first will be the Grand Central. Depending how long the Azuma takes, we'll have another one heading up north. Train 1 shortly. An 8101. Now, I don't see these going up after this next train, so it'll also be the 12:29 London to Edinburgh. Out of 1 to 11. Okay, so look at the third train's approaching. Time is 12:24. This with the 12:29 LNER Resumer from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Right, so the rugby train, there's no appearance at all, so that's thrown in the bin bag. After this is 12:50, so I'm going to make a move before I get caught by anything on return. Train here shortly. Back here because of the turbulence with the brand new fence that was replaced as a result of the most recent road traffic accident. And the media didn't know what to label it as. One 222.